pretty surprise move yesterday.
Yeah, that's right. But also, if you think about the steps that the securities regulator, as well as Beijing authorities as a whole, been trying to do to stop the stock market slide, have been piecemeal at best. And yes, we get a little bit of rally, then it falls back because the overall sentiment has been pretty weak. You have sliding stocks, you have a sliding economy, you have an ongoing property slump, you have geopolitical tensions with the United States, and you're coming up onto a hard break, if you will, using television terms, and that is a week-long holiday where sentiment is pretty weak right now. So something had to be done. And it's been a pretty bad year for top officials in Xi Jinping's government. You lost the foreign minister, Qin Gang, he was replaced. You have the top general in the PLA replaced, Li Shangfu. Now you have the securities regulator abruptly changed. Given the situation and given the precedents in the past when the securities regulator is changed, you usually get a boost in stocks because, again, they're given a mandate to use perhaps more forceful approaches to stop a potential stock market slide or whatever rectification that needed to be done. So here's the two gentlemen in question right now. Yi Huiman, who was the securities regulator, the chairman and party boss of the CSRC since 2019. He is on his way out, and Wu Qing is coming in. He's considered to be a hardliner. He takes a more hardline approach to discipline, which probably is in line with what Xi Jinping would want right now. Zero tolerance is kind of his slogan, and he is known as the broker butcher. That's a nickname that he earned, in the mid-2000s when he really led a crackdown on malfeasance, if you will, and bad practices within the brokerage industry in China. He shut down 31 different brokerages in China in the mid-2000s. So he is going to basically enforce discipline because the CSRC in the last few days, as late as Monday, came out and said we have evidence of malicious short selling, stock market manipulation. So if there is malfeasance happening, this guy's going to root it out, and they're going to have a week-long holiday to kind of come up with a strategy.
Yeah, Steve, as we head into the year of the dragon, right, it's supposed to be the most auspicious of the horoscope, powerful, wealth, success, not exactly the themes that we're associating with the Chinese economy at the moment. And we're going to get more data today.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, the deflation persists, and that's a real difficult situation for an economy that is trying to get out of this slump on multiple fronts, as I just mentioned. We're going to get CPI deflation numbers, expecting a fourth consecutive month in January of consumer price deflation. We know at the factory gate, producer prices have been weak for 15 consecutive months. That's also expected to continue. So, yeah, heading into the week-long holiday when people travel, whether they're going to be spending, because the Ministry of Commerce has already declared that 2024 is going to be the year of promoting consumption. It's an inauspicious start to the year of the dragon, for sure.